Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Tuesday, February 7th, 2023. Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuned with us for your TF update. Let's jump right into the headlines, and we start with a rural Fitchburg listening session coming up. Yes, the Ag and Rural Affairs Committee will be meeting on February 21st at 4 p.m. over at Four Winds Farms, 5735 Adams Road here in Fitchburg. This is an opportunity for the public to share issues that impact them and hear updates from the city staff on relevant issues. Fitchburg Rural Ag and Rural Affairs Committee meets monthly here at City Hall, but once a year they do this listening session out in the rural area in Four Winds Farm. They haven't been out there. It's a beautiful setting, and we'll be out there if you want to register to do this via virtually through Zoom, so you can attend virtually to submit your comments or ask questions. That's done through Zoom. You need to email Brian. His information is at our website at fitchburgwi.gov. Otherwise, you can watch the meeting live here on Fact TV and, of course, attend in person at the Four Winds Farms. Another public meeting coming up. It's the Prairie Park Master Plan Open House and Public Meeting. This is scheduled tomorrow night. The City of Fitchburg Prairie Park Master Plan sets forth the general park layout, allowing for opportunity for implementation as budget dollars are available. A presentation and other feedback opportunities are scheduled at 7 o'clock p.m. The meeting starts at 6:30 p.m. You can check out displays and learn some information before the public session opens up at 7 p.m. That'll be held here at City Hall in the Francis Hutley Cooper Council Chambers, 5520 Lacey Road. Again, if you'd like to attend virtually to comment on the plan, you can do so by emailing Scott Endel. He is the staff connection or staff person connected for this meeting, and he'll get you the information you need to speak virtually, or else you can watch right here on Fact TV through our Gov channel. Celebrating Black History Month. Fitchburg Senior Center is celebrating Black History Month with a lot of great events and taking the chance to learn more about what Black History Month is. It says here, Black History Month is an annual celebration of achievements by African Americans and a time for recognizing their central role in United States history. This special month grew out of the Negro History Week, which originated in 1950 and 1915 and was then designated as Black History Month in 1976. To learn more about the triumphs and struggles of African Americans throughout the United States history, please join us for Black History Month Bingo on Thursday, February 23rd at 12:30 p.m. No sign-up necessary for this fun and educational afternoon at the Fitchburg Senior Center. And you should check their flyer for this month. They've got a lot of great other great events tied with Black History Month, sharing great information about the history of Black History Month. So check that out at the Senior Center through the website or their newsletter. All right, adult story time at the Senior Center. The Fitchburg Public Library is partnering up with the Senior Center to provide an adult story time. You're going to enjoy the picture book Frederick and then a craft and discussion with others as well. It will be from 11 to 11:45 a.m. February 16th at the Senior Center, 5510 Lacey Road. Stop on down and you can meet Minda, the outreach librarian for the Fitchburg Library. National School Counseling Week is upon us. It's February 6th through the 10th, and a statement here from the Roan Area School District saying thank you to all the school counselors out there. It says, as designated by the American School Counselor Association, the theme for this year's celebration is helping students dream big. School counselors support students' academic, career, and social emotional development. They collaborate with many different students to provide a comprehensive school counseling program that meets the needs of our scholars and ensures equitable access, support, programming, and services to foster national educational success. National School Counseling Week honors and celebrates the contributions, impacts, and outcomes of our school counselors. Reach out to our school counselors this week and thank them for their service and ask them about their role in the program impact. Yes, we want to thank all school counselors throughout the area. And thank you to the Roan Area School District for sharing some nice information there about what it is. And again, thanking the counselors for this week. All right, that does it for me. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow.